All right, so grab your paper towel roller.
Got it.
Okay?
Yes.
And so there's this guy on TikTok. His name is TikTok Gramps. And he shows you how to do these really cool things. And the first thing he showed me was, and this is so cool, I think, is how to roar like a lion.
Ooh.
And I'm telling you, when you hear this, you're like, what the hell? So I listened to it. I went to his TikTok. I watched it. And I was like, this is amazing. Now, there's 3 or 4 different things he's going to teach us how to do. But first, roar like a lion. So let's listen to it. Then I think we should try it one at a time so we're not all roaring over each other.
One at a time. And then I think we should roar as a pack.
Yeah. Okay, good. What do they call? What are the lions called?
Pride.
Right. Okay, so listen to TikTok Gramps. Okay, listen.
Let's get ready for Lion King with the Roar Challenge. Empty paper towel roll, a snort, and a hiss. Your turn.
Right?
Wait,
how did you do
what
that?
was the hiss again?
That's without the paper towel. Now you do
So
that
like
in the
you're-
paper.
like
You go
you're
first.
snoring.
You, Kyle, do the
Okay.
paper towel.
Well, then do I put my nose in when I snort and then move it?
However, yeah, no, you just do it all in the paper towel. Hold
Okay.
It's sleeping.
What the hell kind of lion is that?
The lion is sleeping.
That's the lion sleeps tonight. That's later on in the movie.
I'm confused about this. I need clarification on the hiss.
All right. So, hey, TikTok Grandpa didn't work on.
You hear how he does the hiss again.
Yeah, can you play it again?
All right. And then Suzette, you try it. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's get ready for Lion King with the Roar Challenge. Empty paper towel roll, a snort, and a hiss. Your turn.
Your
Okay,
turn.
It's more of a.
Like that.
You try it, Suzette.
Okay.
In the microphone. You just
I got excited.
Do it down the hall.
It sounds like
What is that?
It's definitely more aggressive.
I don't even know if Suzette was an animal.
Now I gotta clear my throat.
Kyle, you want to try it again, Kyle? No.
Ooh, that's that
That's
first
a
part's
little.
good. The first
little
part was
better.
really good.
Are you guys gonna try? You guys are just giving
No, I want to try it, but I'm just.
We're stuck on what just happened.
I wasn't expecting this.
your turn.
I'll go. So it's a snort and a hiss, right?
Darth Vader. That was Darth Vader at the end.
Looks like a lion in the spaceship.
I feel like the snort was very strong.
Yeah.
I feel like he needs to be more specific with the hiss.
Well, his hiss is like.
I'm just saying.
Let me hear his hiss is like.
Let's get ready for Lion King with the Roar Challenge. Empty paper towel roll, a snort, and a hiss. Your turn.
His hiss is. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Here we go. That's because I'm gonna sleep out here.
Almost choking.
I almost swallowed this thing. Hi, booty. Hello.
You want to take that home with you?
Wow.
Yeah, you keep that one.
We have to do it all together.
Oh,
The
done all
count of
together?
3.
Okay.
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's fine. It sounded better together.
God. Anyway. Do you want to try the other lessons he has? They're easier. You don't need a paper towel roll.
Yeah,
This one.
okay.
My throat hurts from that.
I know.
It ain't easy being a lion.
All right, TikTok Gramps shows you how to imitate a crying baby. And it's, again, this sounds amazing.
This one is called the baby cry, and I challenge you to try it. The first thing you need to do is to hum. Then open your mouth. Go high. Now you can use that for a baby cry. Give it your best shot.
Give it your best shot.
What?
You open your mouth.
He doesn't just. How do you? Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, you did it.
Oh.
Wow, it doesn't even match your face.
No. I was like, where is that sound coming from?
I don't know. I don't know how to keep going.
Wow. Yeah, Joey?
Have a child.
Let me just take it down, okay?
What? Yeah. Wow.
Whoa. That's amazing.
Your face.
No, I'm a little weirded out right now.
You hum? What do you think? You hum?
Okay, you hum.
Like, what are you really good at? Crying like a baby.
Yeah. I do have a 4-month-old at home, so I hear that a lot.
Okay, wait. Here's a dog one. This is really good too.
I thought today I would teach you how to bark like a dog. First thing you want to be able to do is to kind of make a singing noise. But you want to do that backwards by breathing in. And you're going to do it really quickly at the same time trying to make a barking sound. Or a smaller dog.
That's me.
With the bigger dog, you want to kind of use that snort at the end just to kind of add a little flair to it. With a smaller dog, you don't necessarily have to do that. Happy barking.
How?
Did you get it?
Just breathe
Can you
in.
play the first part one more time where he describes what you? Because you.
I thought today I would teach you how to bark like a dog. First thing you want to be able to do is to kind of make a singing noise. But you want to do that backwards by breathing in. And you're going to do it really quickly at the same time trying to make a barking sound.
Okay, so how do you got to breathe in and
You want a treat? You want a treat, Kyle? Kyle, want a treat?
that doesn't sound right.
No, it doesn't.
He's off his rocker. Hey, dude,
I wouldn't be concerned if my dog sounded like that.
wait, do it again, Kyle. Your face. Your lips get all tiny and small.
I don't know how to breathe in and make a sound that where you're breathing out at the same time. I feel like he's skipping a step. He's not.
It's like a prank.
There's something you're not telling us, TikTok Gramps.
All right.